Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Vision without execution is just hallucination. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Enthusiasm is the yeast that makes your hopes rise to the stars. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. The competitor to be feared is one who never bothers about you at all, but goes on making his own business better all the time. Chop your own wood, and it will warm you twice. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Greatest thing in life is experience. Even mistakes have value. A bore is a person who opens his mouth and puts his feet in it. Money is like an arm or leg. Use it or lose it. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Even a mistake may turn out to be the one thing necessary to a worthwhile achievement. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Business must be run at a profit, else it will die. But when anyone tries to run a business solely for profit, then also it must die, for it no longer has a reason for existence. There is no man living that cannot do more than he thinks he can. We try to pay a man enough so that he doesn't have to worry. A man's real education begins after he has left school. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. The only real limitation on what you can accomplish is the limitation you place on your own thinking.